This is Salem Witch Trials Daily for Friday, August 12th, 1692, and I'm Josh Hutchinson.
I'm Sarah Jack. Today, a new will was written for George Jacobs Sr., and the specter of Daniel Eames allegedly afflicted people in Andover.
George Jacobs Sr. had previously written a will in January 1692. Now he chose to replace that with a new one. He left his homestead for his wife Mary, but only for as long as she remained unmarried after his death. Next, grandson George Jacobs III would inherit the property, as George Jr. had fled the area for parts unknown, which did ultimately save his life.
George Sr. removed his daughter Anne and her husband John Andrews from the will. Then he added 10 pounds in silver for his granddaughter Margaret, who had recanted her confession and repented of accusing him of witchcraft.
However, the status of George's estate was in a bit of legal limbo, as Sheriff George Corwin had confiscated more than 79 pounds of goods and livestock. They'd even taken the wedding ring from Mary Jacobs.
According to historian Marilyn K. Roach, English common law required the government to seize property from convicted felons on behalf of the monarchs. However, land and the widow's dower were not to be taken, and Sheriff Corwin left those alone.
During the August 13th examination of Daniel Eames, Mary Walcott claimed that he afflicted her tonight at Aslot's house in Andover. She also said that she saw him afflict Timothy Swan and Ingall's child, though the date of those afflictions is unclear.
Daniel Eames was also accused of harming Mary Warren, Mary Lacey Jr., and Ann Putnam Jr. He was presented to the grand jury the next year, on May 9, 1693, and that same day Tituba was charged with covenanting with the devil. The jurors declared there was not enough evidence for a trial for either Daniel or Tituba.